Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I'm here with a Kroger haul, and I've been doing Kroger hauls lately. I haven't been to Aldi's. I just haven't been to Aldi's lately. So anyway, I'm here with a Kroger haul. Kroger had plenty on sale that I didn't have to go to Aldi's. So I'm going to show you this because I did the click list today, and there was one big thing I got a big savings on, and I wanted the Kroger instant microwavable white rice, and which is a good deal anyway at $2.79. They did not have that, so they replaced it with Minute instant white rice, and the regular price of it was $4.39. They do a price adjustment if they have to make a substitute, and they give it to you. They give you the newer item or the more expensive item, the substitute item. They give it to you for the price of the item that you wanted. So I saved $1.60 because the rice was $4.39. The minute rice was $4.39. What I wanted was $2.79. So the price adjustment was $1.60, and they gave it to me for $2.79. So that's a big plus of the click list. If they don't have an item, they will substitute it, and you'll get the better deal. Okay, my price was $109.84. So that was the total. You guys, I saved $32.71. I got a lot of digital coupons, and then I had paper coupons. So I'm going to tell you what I got on sale. They did have a 5-time event, and let me show this to you in our circular real quick. They had the Save More 5-time digital coupon event where you can use each coupon up to 5 times in one transaction. I did not have that where I needed to do that, so I didn't have the coupons and I didn't have the item that I needed to use coupons for multiple times. So I still saved big though, because I had a lot of digital coupons and then paper coupons. So I got apple juice. It was $1 off. The milk was regular price. I think it was like $2.69 or $2.89. The Jergens lotion, they had a coupon that I clipped online. It was $1 off. And then I got 2 of the frozen orange juices that I usually get. They were on sale for $1. They were on sale for $1 each. I got 2 bunches of kale. One's organic and one's regular. Don't ask me why. I just did it like that. Wanted to see if I could taste the difference raw anyway. So I'm going to rinse a piece out. I just want to see if I could taste the difference. But anyway, of course, organic is pesticide free supposedly. So I will be using that in my smoothies, and using the regular kale. I'll just either be baking that as kale chips or just, sauteing it, making a side dish. All right, so I got cilantro. I love my cilantro. The strawberries were $1.88. Yes, for Valentine's Day, of course, and they smell very sweet. You can specify too how you want them to pick your produce. I always say, of course, I want it to smell fragrant like it's supposed to, and I want a dark color on my fruit, and not to be squishy. So anyway, that was $1.88, and they look good. They did a good job picking them out. So they did a good job with all my produce. The Yoplait yogurt was on sale. I forget how much it was on sale for, but it was on sale. I think it was 50 cents if I'm not mistaken. Whatever it is, it was on sale. I got 3. Asparagus, y'all, was, let me see if I can pull it up here. Asparagus was $1.49 a pound. So that was a real good savings. I got 2 stalks of that. Lettuce, I got that. That was not on sale. These were on sale. I think they were like 50 cents each, which they're usually more. But this is a nice big old onion. Red onion. Got a bulb of garlic. I got 3 of these turkey smoked sausages I'll probably be using in a recipe. I am going to try a recipe that I saw on, oh goodness, what is her name? Richardson or Risa Richardson, I think that's her name. She did a a stewed goulash of some sort, sausage, onions, green peppers, and tomato, corn, and then served it over rice. So I'm gonna try to do that. She said it's so good. That's one of her staple meals, so I'm gonna try that. So I got some vine ripened tomatoes. These were on sale. I got some bacon bits for my salad. I got some sweet potatoes. These were on sale too. I think they were $1.99 for a 5-pound of russet potatoes. I got some potato chips. There's the minute rice that I got on sale. That was a substitute. The Ore-Ida, I love these extra crispy fast food fries. They were $1 off. So I got those at a good price. These were on sale. I think it was like 85 cents off of 2. So I got 4 of those. Let's see. Oh, so I was able to use that coupon, the 5 times coupon on this, because there was a coupon also for this. So anyway, save for that. It was a digital coupon. Got tilapia. I believe that was $1 off. Smithfield bacon was on sale for $2.99. I got that. Paper towel, Cantu leave-in conditioner for Isaiah's hair. I got some napkins. And I got 2 mixed vegetables. They're $1. I always put them in like my Asian stir fries or whatever. And I got some original dairy whipped topping. We were at Sam's the other day and we got, you know, when they have those little tasting stations, they had fresh fruit and they put whipped cream on top. And it was so good. Raspberries and blueberries, I think it was. So I'm going to use strawberries, blueberries, and something else. I am going to go to Aldi's for some fruit, I believe. So I got some jumbo biscuits. I got 2 Kool-Aids, 1 tropical punch, 1 orange. I got some margarine. I got some butter also. I got paper plates for fast days. I got some cheese slices, American cheese slices. I had a coupon for 40 cents off, and I think there was a digital coupon too, so I think I saved twice. Got some Sweet Baby Ray's BBQ sauce. I love this hickory and brown sugar. What is your favorite flavor of Sweet Baby Ray's? Let me know down in the comments. That is my favorite. I got some peanuts, some salted peanuts. These were on sale. Forget how much, but they were on sale. These were 80 or 85 cents off of 2. And y'all know I'm in this chocolate cookie mode. I don't need to be. I need to be losing some weight. But in this chocolate chip cookie mode. And also at our church, they're doing, like, making cookies for the jail ministry. So I'm so excited this year to be making. I'm going to make some chocolate chip cookies for the jail ministry outreach. So I'm so excited about that. Got some white bread here too. They were 50 cents off of 2 loaves, and they're already just, I think, $1 or $1.25. So I got some applesauce. I got 2 of these pasta sauces, these Hunt's pasta sauces. 1 garlic and herb, 1 traditional, and I use that for my spaghetti usually. I got super sweet golden corn. And then I got the creamy style golden corn. Got 1 of those. Got a diced tomatoes with the chilies, and this is just the regular diced tomatoes. This was free because I had a coupon for it. Online digital coupon, so that was free. And I think I said this. Vine ripened tomatoes. I got 2 bulb of garlic. I got this ground turkey, and I had a coupon for that. I think I had a 70 cents or 80 cents off coupon for the fresh ground turkey from Kroger's. And I believe that is it, you all. And so I got really good prices. Oh, got some Italian seasoning. Got that. I'm going to be making a pizza also. So that's one reason why I got this pizza blend. Those homemade pizzas that I make. So I'm going to do a tutorial on that. The pizza that I got, I think it was the last time on my haul. Oh my goodness, you all. Oh my goodness. That pizza was so good. It was the California Kitchen pizza. I got it on sale last time. This time it was no sale on it. They are $7.99. I am just not paying $7.99 for a frozen pizza. I'm sorry. So I'm going to make my own homemade pizza using the toppings on there. So I'm going to do a tutorial on that, and I hope it comes out really good because that pizza was so good. I might have to bite the bullet and pay $7.99 one day. But anyway, this was my haul. I'm trying to see if I'm going to make any other little, I guess no, that's it. I'll come back with any meal ideas that I get from this and do a tutorial on it. I'll try to do a tutorial on this this little stewed tomato goulash, sausage, tomato, onion goulash that I make. I'll try to do a tutorial on that. All right, y'all be blessed. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.